How to use keyboard and mouse in Fortnite. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna explain to you how you can use keyboard and mouse in Fortnite. Firstly, you will need to connect your keyboard and mouse to your PC. You can do that by using USB port. If it's for console, then plug the keyboard and mouse into the USB port on your console. Once that is done, then launch Fortnite on your device. Now the game will recognize the keyboard and mouse and enable the corresponding input system. However, if you would like to customize the settings, then you can head over to settings in Fortnite. Now on your settings, at the very top, you will see different kind of icons. Go to keyboard controls. The icon will look something like controls. Now here you will need to use mouse sensitivity section to set your sensitivity for aiming, building and editing. There are different kind of controls such as movement, jump, couch, shoot, aim and weapon slots. Make sure that you know how to use this. To be more quicker in this, try practicing in creative mode. You can also watch a lot of gaming videos on YouTube that are related to Fortnite. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.